Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create amazing effects for our video using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for this website, Pika.art, and we're going to use this website to create amazing effect for our photo. Wait guys, now it's still loading. Make sure you have looked into this website so you can use this website tools to create amazing effect for your photo. I'm going to click on try now and I'm going to go to the Pika effect, and here we can use the inflate effect, melt effect, explode, squish, crush, and cake, and I'm just going to use this one, melt it. Okay, and we're going to upload our photo to this website. We can click on image right here and then choose the image from your device. I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and then we can click on this icon. Okay, and it's almost done. Okay, and now the effect has been created, and let's just take a look at the result. I'm going to play it guys. Okay, then I'm going to click on download to download this video. Okay, and now the video has been downloaded and I'm going to check it. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create amazing effect for our photo using AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.